Okay guys, in the last video we talked about interior angles, angles on the inside of a shape. Okay, today we're going to be talking about exterior angles. And all an exterior angle is if we take one of the lines along the side of our polygon and extend it, this little angle that it makes is an exterior angle. Okay? And the exterior angles end up being a pretty easy calculation for us. With interior angles, we have to use that equation n minus 2 times 180. Okay? But with exterior angles, it's even easier. We don't even need that equation. Okay? Exterior angles are going to always add up to give us 360 degrees. So that means that this angle plus this angle all the way around our shape adds up to 360. So let's write out an equation that says that. 68 plus 84 plus 60. And then here I run into a problem. Okay, on this problem, it doesn't give me this exterior angle, but it does give me the interior angle on the inside. So all I have to do is in my head, I recognize that this is a linear pair, 108, which means it adds up to 180, which means that there's 40 left for that exterior angle. I'm going to use that 40 in the equation that I was building over here. 68, 84, 60, 40, plus A. It's really important that I remember my A, and all of those angles together, all of my exterior angles equal 360. And now this is just a matter of combining like terms and solving. When I add all these things together, 68 plus 84 plus 60 plus 40. I'm going to get 252. I still have my A, and it still equals 360. I'm just going to subtract from both sides. And we end up with 108. So the amount that's left for this missing angle is 180 degrees.
So in this problem, we're still searching for missing angles, something new and different. We haven't solved for missing angles yet. So we're solving for y here, and an important thing to notice is all of your given information are on the outside of this shape. These are all exterior angles. That's just a fancy name for outside. And what Mr. Matthews just discussed is when we are given exterior angles, the most important idea to understand is no matter what the shape is, your outside angles will add up to be 360. This is true if this shape was a triangle, a square, this weird shape we're looking at. Doesn't matter what the shape is, exterior angles always will add up to 360. And now we're ready to just build our equation. We know that 1, 2, 3, 4, these 5 angles will all equal. They all have to add up to be 360. So we'll have 70 plus 60 plus 65 plus 40, running out of space, plus y equals 360. So now I'll combine my like terms, those 4 angles that we already knew. So we'll do 70 plus the 60 plus 65 plus 40. We end up getting 235. We still have our little plus y. And we know that all those angles have to add up to 360. We'll subtract 235 from each side. And y will equal 125 degrees.
All right, guys. And then the other example we could talk about with exterior angles is if we have a regular polygon. And Mr. Bakke showed this example a minute ago. A regular polygon is just a polygon where all the angles and all the sides are congruent. So in this shape, each one of these angles is the same, okay? And each one of the sides is the same length. Okay, so it actually doesn't have to give us any information to what any of these angle measurements are, and we can still solve for this exterior angle outside of our shape. Okay, so we can do this 2 ways. We can use our old equation and then find a linear pair, but the way faster way is that we know that exterior angles equal up to 360. So that means that this x plus this x plus this x, blah, 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 all of those x's are going to equal up to 360. And we also know, because all these interior angles are the same, all the exterior angles are going to be the same too. Okay, so if we split this 360 into 6 equal exterior angles, we'll solve for x. So all we have to do on this problem, we start with our 360 that our exterior angles add up to, we just divide it by how many angles we have. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles. I divide by 6. X is 60, and I'm already done.